Just Cuisine Kitchen, where we do food and restaurant reviews. We do recipes, we do a little bit of homemaking, and we do lots and lots of family or group games. If this is your kind of content, kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time we upload a new video. Thank you. To refill some of my jars, we have rice, we have maize flour, we have wheat, and then we have green crumbs, and we have popcorn. Yeah, I think those are the only items we are refilling today. And we have peanuts, so we can start with peanuts. We're going to put it in that small jar. So we have our peanuts over there. I hope they fit. Clearly they don't fit in my jar, so I'll need to get a bigger jar for the peanuts. What I'll do, I think I'll cook the remaining so that I don't have a challenge storing them. Then we have, here we have popcorns. Yeah, all this I bought from the supermarket. If you have not watched our haul, you can check it out. So it's quite substantial. It's good for snacking. Then we have this is green crumbs. Green crumbs, we don't have much. We just have some small quantity, which I just didn't want to cook today. Yeah, so we have our green crumbs over there. Then we have our rice. If you have been following us, you know basmati is our rice. So we also put it here. So there we have our rice. Then we have maize flour and wheat. I'll not add the wheat today because I am tired, but I have not opened a pack, so I've decided since I have maize flour open, I'll only refill the maize flour, then we'll do the wheat next time. Like we said in our previous video, for all our refills we have to sieve. So we are going to sieve the maize flour, and I'll sieve it in this container before we move it to its jar. I just decided to be sieving just to ensure I keep off any impurities. And I sieve both wheat and maize flour when I am putting in my jars. As you can see, I can see the maize flour doesn't have much, so it's actually a good thing that it's clean. So we'll first refill that so that we don't make a big mess over here. Oopsie, you see we're already getting challenges. Yeah, so we'll do that for the entire pack. So we had used a bit, so that's the remainder. So we also have our maize flour. Like I said, I'm not going to work on wheat flour today because I don't have an open pack. Yeah, so that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new, kindly subscribe. If you're a returning viewer or subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. So kindly let us know the kind of videos you want us to share on this channel, and we appreciate we acknowledge the feedback we have been receiving, and we thank you so much for the same. If you would like to partner with us, please let us know, especially those people who are in the hospitality industry. Let's contact us through our Instagram, or you can comment down below. So thank you, and see you on our next one. Bye.